In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video using Canva in just a few simple steps. Canva is a fantastic online design tool that offers a wide variety of features, making it perfect for creating everything from social media graphics to presentations, and yes, even videos. Let's dive into how you can easily create your own video content using Canva. First, you're going to want to head over to canva.com. If you already have an account, great. If not, go ahead and sign up. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner of the homepage. You'll see a button that allows you to log in. With Canva, you can sign in using a Google account, Facebook, or even your email. It's really versatile, so choose whichever option suits you best. Once you've logged in, you're ready to start creating. On the Canva homepage, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Directly under this, there's an option that says Create a Design. You'll want to click on this and then type video into the search bar. This will bring up various video format options to choose from. Now hover your mouse over the type of video you want to make. Whether you're creating a video for social media, a presentation, or a personal project, you'll find a selection for it. Click on Browse Templates to discover a wide array of templates available for that particular video type. This is one of Canva's best features, especially if you're pressed for time or need some inspiration. Take a moment to browse through the templates. When you find one that catches your eye, hover over it. You'll see a More icon pop up. Click on it and then choose Preview this template. This gives you a closer look at the template and can help you decide if it's the right fit for your project. If you're ready to start editing, select Customize this template. You'll be taken directly into Canva's editor, where the magic really happens. The interface is user-friendly and designed for intuitive use, so even if you're new to Canva, you'll find it easy to navigate. In the editor, you'll have the option to search Canva's video library for additional clips, upload your own videos, or even record video content directly if you prefer. Simply replace any existing videos in your chosen template with your new content. This step is all about personalization, making sure your finished video truly reflects your vision. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you're on your way to creating a polished video using Canva. By combining your creative ideas with Canva's tools, you'll be able to produce professional looking videos quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more of Canva's features to enhance your designs even further.